Go on, pretty girl. Hi, Fei Fei. Are you hungry? Okay, that's enough. Yep. Do some more over here behind you. On the ground right behind you. Yep. On that thing. Yep. Some over here. Make sure you don't put it on chicken poo. Hi, Bailey. You feeling better? You're not breathing rough anymore, buddy. Hey, my Gigi's. Then Fei Fei needs some food. Don't give them all the food. Fei and the piggies do. Okay, come on. She has a food bowl in there. Big Pigs, you hungry?
Good morning.
Put some right here for her, the turkin. Addie, the turkin. Right on that thing. And for Bailey, we'll share with her. Bailey will share with her. Yep, that's good. Come on, Bailey, go ahead and eat. You need me to open the gate? Another cup. How much is in there? Is there enough for the babies? Yeah, and then put some of the red thing over there quick before she gets over there. Okay, that's good. The red thing for the babies. No, okay. You need to just put the bowl upside down over the red thing and bang the bottom to dump it all in there. Yep, good job. That's good. There you go, Pig Pigs. Let's see if they eat. Good, Pig Pigs. The birds actually, they won't be mean to the pigs.
Go away, go away. Let them beg. No, that's for the pigs. Go away. Oh, beautiful.
You tell her beautiful she is, isn't she? Look, what, the gray one?
Beautiful.
I know. Which one? That one?
Go away. Not for you. Not for you.
Poseidon.
Go away.
Oh, they're digging little holes. The piggies are digging little holes.
Not for you.
Oh, you get to pick out the male you want to keep.
Go away.
You get to pick out the male you want to keep, Adilynn. We're keeping the female. The one with the gray. It's a male, right? It's got nuggies on the back of it.
And that one.
No, one male.
This one and that one.
That one's big. Oh, that's the female.
Yeah, I want those two.
Hi, Veve.
No.